Okay, we're back on.
Hey.
Hey.
So can you tell us why you... Michael? Why do you need help? I totally understand if you do, and they're here to help you.
Hey, here you go. Yeah, can you please turn the flashlight on the count of 3? 1. How you doing?
Or how do you do it?
Or how you do it?
Really
Okay.
much that we're, understanding. Do you say how do you do it, or how are you doing?
Looks like yellow.
Yay.
Okay, we're going to move everything into this room. What did you say?
I didn't understand that one.
We're going to go ahead and move things in here, okay? And then we're going to step outside and have a smoke. And then we're going to go to the basement. So tell your friends in the basement hi for us and that we would like to talk with them, okay? Of course. Of course.
Of course. All right.
The last owner lived here for 30 years, which would have been 1980 was when they bought the house. So that
90.
the previous owner would have. So oh yeah, that would have been 90. Huh?
His parents had the house before that. So he grew up here.
Okay.
Oh, just
Are we done?
Are we done? In here. Now we're going into the front room.
should I shut this light off?
Yeah. Who is she? Can you tell us what your name is? My name is Les.
I'm Dean.
I'm Patty.
How you doing?
Just want to say hi and hear your story. Are you excited that they're going to fix up your home and use it again?
If they want to.
Can you turn that flashlight on for us by turning the front of it? Or can you just push it off of the shelf for us?
You're not going to break it if you push it off the shelf.
And if you do, we have a bunch more.
Yep.
Push it off.
Push it off. I dare you. Push it off. Okay.